Hello and welcome back to chapter 5, lecture number 18. So in the previous lecture we created these variations, the window variations, and in this lecture we will make separated objects from these and put them inside of the windows. Alright, so we made a new collection called window frames, and what I'd like to do is, let's move these. Maybe we can hide these two because these are just placeholders, or like the main windows you don't want to change. And we call that one, let's first join the objects, Control J. So it's now one single object, and call this main window. And we join these as well, Control J. This is just an optimization. And double window, and single window, join in, Control J. And also, if we need these windows for other objects or other scenes, other buildings, that's what I call, we can, by naming it, it's easy to find them in the scene. So it's single window, and let's call this small window, J. Alright, that's it. Now we can start with duplicating it. And because I want to do this, there's no need for displaying the textures yet. I like to switch to the workspace, workbench for now. And we very quickly toggle between the render modes. And we need to scale this. We do this in object mode, but be aware we need to do the rotation and scale when we finish. So I like to merge this inside of the window. So turn it around, control point. And I want to have this a bit more on the front. Yes. And I have some problems with the, I'll go to the vertice mode. It does not really blend well. So I select these, Control B, and to make this, let's make 2. So we have a nice curviness right there, as you can see. So we grab this object and merge that. Great. So I like to duplicate these bars, can be hidden as well. It's only distracting. Press H. And we press Shift D. And press R. Hold Control. And we snap rotation this window. It's a short key, so you shouldn't enable the magnet tab all the time. This is a very quick way of doing this. And as Z, and we merge this inside of the window. Press GX, and there we go. And there's some space right there. GZ, a bit more. SZ. Yeah, GZ. Yes, I like this. And Shift D, R, Control, and rotate it. GX, and put this inside of the window building. I'm a bit confused. GY, so it's blending well. GZ, and I want to use a single window for the top roofs, and we need to drag this more to the front, and we scale it. Alright, so we will do one more together, and then I will pause the video and you can continue this, because this needs to be a sort of an exercise. But if this is hard, you can download the blend file, and yeah, you're not lost. You know, if it's hard to do it yourself, what is no problem at all. It's a course, you know, you need to learn. you can start with the following lecture, but at least try it. It's very important. Shift D and merge it. So an exercise for you is I want to have windows in this frame, and I want to have a small frame right there. Good. And how you do it, just try it out, and I will show you how I did it when I continue it. All right, so I'll pause it and see you in a minute. Hello and welcome back. So I ended up with this version. So I duplicated these windows and I rotated and placed them in these holes. And same for the small window. There are no roofs on this side, so that was very easy to me. I can just ignore it. And what we can do is just turn back to the Eevee render engine and take a quick break because it is loading our textures, our materials, I have to say. So that's pretty much it. What we will do in the next lecture is create a door, and we need to put this underneath this small window, and yeah, well, that will be the full lecture. And yeah, then we continue, and there is also this small window. Let's go to material preview. Small window here, right there. We have to fill this with a window as well. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you have any questions, just ask them on the dashboard and we can help you with it. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.